Hi guys, it's Barry again with Barry's 8-track and classic car radio repair, and today's demonstration is going to be on a unit that's repaired to original stock. This comes from Daniel in Holland. That would be the Netherlands. So this guy sent his car, his radio quite a distance to have me work on it. Thank you so much for that, Dan. And now we're going to fire it up and make sure everything works before we send her back. We're on AM at the moment.
The harder it's going to be to turn this around.
There's a 1 AM station, the strong station. Then we get a couple more down this way. There's one. And might be one more.
The owner of Lone Star Transfer.
Yeah, so there's actually two at that end of the dial.
Transfer and how you and your team can.
Okay, now I'm going to switch to my FM antenna. My FM antenna is close to a power line and messes up the AM reception. So now we're on the FM antenna and just running through a couple stations here. And
shutting down college bars down.
With more than 2 kids at a time.
And we'll go ahead and look at our output level meters, make sure we're getting all 4 speakers. And we're going to rotate our fader all the way front, rear, front, rear. Okay, now I'm going to balance the speakers equally. And there is no there is no left-right balance control in this unit, so we won't worry about that.
And with medication that totally removes or
we don't need the meters anymore, I guess.
92% of people. The program is discreet, easy to follow, and cost.
Give them some assistance.
Now keep in mind that this is a original stock repair; it's not a conversion. So, but on this one, the FM reception's pretty good.
But tell me, did the wind swing in a room? Malibu, Malibu, if you ain't got a fucking
Yes, your joy will overflow.
Okay, so let's go ahead and pop a tape in here. I'm going to use a fairly familiar material this time. No, let's do Bonanza guitars first.
More joy in this world.
Pop this thing in.
From the Skip and Amy Show, and that's your
Bonanza guitars. And make sure we get all the right speakers. You can see all 4 speakers are putting out sound. Switch tracks a bunch of times. Okay, now I'm going to try it. Pull the tape out and pop it in several times. Make sure it switches over each time, because that was the problem. That was the main problem, was that a tape wouldn't play. Okay, now let's pop in a more familiar tape just so you can make sure the speed's correct. And this will be short duration, so I don't get nailed by the copyright police. Okay, that takes care of that. Let's turn this off. We'll just make sure that the dial light comes on. You may not be able to see it. Yeah, in this bright light you can't see it. But I can see it coming on, so we'll call that good. Dial lights, yeah, you can just barely see it flashing. If we reduce the lighting, you can probably make it a little bit better. See if that'll help. Yeah. Okay, you can just see it flashing, that soft blue coming on and off on the dial. So we're good. Everything is working properly. She's ready to go back to the customer. I'm ready to probably have some lunch. Typically that's going to be a salami sandwich. And here I am. Needless to say, if you have an 8-track player for home or for car use in need of service, you can reach me directly at 928-533-9666. I also do conversions on this type of radio. Any car radio I can do a conversion on to add FM, Bluetooth, USB, aux-in, and on some radios I can even double the number of FM station presets. So my website's in the description below. Thank you so much for watching, listening. We'll see you next time. And thank you, Dan, for your business from across the world.